What is up, YouTube? My name is Samir, and I cannot believe that this is my first appearance on YouTube. I got that amateur car guy riding in the driver's seat. We are on the farm in Wardsville. We have Kevin.
I don't know. I don't think he's
all the way back there.
He's way back there.
Yeah, he's way back there. We are on the farm today. As you can see, I am in my bright coveralls, so no one loses me.
And I picked up my dad's coveralls that he usually wears so that I don't get dirty. We're gonna go logging in the bush today. We're gonna get the chainsaws out, see if we can't cut up some trees, cut down some trees.
Yes, today we are gathering firewood for, what is it, a Christmas present?
It's a Christmas present.
It is a Christmas present.
Christmas present for one of my family members. I don't have money right now to actually buy them a gift, but I got them in my family's Secret Santa. I got their names, so I'm gonna cut up some wood for them because they have a wood furnace kind of fireplace kind of thing, and they like to have that going during the winter time.
Also, you guys are probably used to this because you've been watching Ryan's channel for a while, but I apologize for the audio and video, or like the audio is pretty good, but the video is just, I just have the GoPro in my hand, it's all shaky because we're in the truck.
Yeah, this is his first time operating the GoPro, first time on YouTube, so
I cannot express how happy I am to be on this channel. Like, hopefully this is not my first appearance. This is my first appearance. Hopefully it's not my last.
And I think we're where we need to be, back in the bush here, and I just gotta wait for my dad to come with the tractor.
He's
and
probably
we'll start cutting some things up.
Awesome. So we got Ryan pulling out the chainsaws. Got to fill her up with gas.
Well, that tipped over in the back, so we lost some gas. Hopefully not too much. They don't take a lot to operate.
We got
like most of the things that I own, this thing is super old, and I don't know if it'll work.
We have a relatively old one. What is that, 45 years you said?
I don't know. It's like 35 years, 45 years. I don't actually know how old it is, but it's definitely got some years on it.
So yeah, we got that relatively old one. And do you have any specs on the new one that your dad has there?
It's what is it? It's a Johnson Turbo. That's all I really know. It's a newer one. He got it maybe 5 years ago, and this he's had for a long time.
Well,
I prefer to use this one because it's lighter, it's smaller, and most of these trees aren't that thick here that we're cutting down. We're just cutting up stuff for firewood. So
we'll have a side series called That Amateur Chainsaw Guys.
That Amateur Chainsaw Guy. I don't know about that. Maybe. Let's see. Is there any? Man, I need vice grips, which is in the tractor.
Which is nowhere to be seen.
There's not enough gas to completely fill it. It does have gas in it, and I need the vice grips out of the front of that tractor to. Yeah, we use the gas for the snowmobiles.
Which you guys saw in the previous video.
I can't seem to get the thing open.
No, that's why I did there.
Yeah, I know.
Is that where you put them?
Yes.
Well, I'll do that. You put that on your, just lay it on the tailgate, and I'll go out and get some gas.
Okay.
Sweet.
And you guys can load this.
Okay, sounds good. Actually, that's pretty full too. I think the last time I used this, I didn't use it for very long. Top it up, make sure I try not to spill it, and then fill it too full and spill it. Because I'm the best at pouring things. Oh god, yeah.
That's what you want.
See, that's how you fill things up. You don't fill them up properly. You make sure that you fill them too full, and then just spill everything everywhere.
Once you ignite it, that gas will set fire, and then the chainsaw will just explode.
Maybe that'll help it out.
There's your thumbnail right there.
On, do it. You seem to do well when you were doing that with the snowmobile.
doesn't want to go.
Where'd you put the gas? In the back?
No.
In the front?
Yes.
Good.
It's opposite of yours. Yes.
Oop. There she goes.
No, you need a splitting maul. You don't need a chainsaw.
I need the splitting maul.
Yes. Some of the bigger stuff.
Well, it doesn't have an engine in it.
There you go. Amateur car guy.
Yes.
Unplugged.
Yeah. Right. It's got some weight to it.
Don't take your toes off.
These aren't steel toes?
No.
Nope.
Samir is, but not you.
Then I'll make Samir do all the heavy lifting.
Okay, just split the big ones.
Yep.
You'll see 2 piles back there that I cut yesterday and kind of threw out the piles. I'll be back ASAP. All right.
Oh.
That puts the GoPro in his mouth. You need my my chest strap that I was using in the last video. I'll see if I can split this, or if I suck too bad to be able to split it.
Man, hit the side.
Well, I hit the side. Gotta work on my aim.
There she blows.
It's not bad. We'll do one more for good measure.
Yes.
Perfect.
Is that good?
Very good.
There we go. So we got some wood lined up for Ryan.
It's got a speed round here.
Oh yeah.
How many of these can I cut in half in a row? Ooh, off to a bad start. There's one.
There you go.
Ooh, that one's a tough
That
one.
was a toughie. Finish strong, finish strong.
It's got a knot in it, man. Whoop.
There you go. Yes.
Alright.
Some good stuff.
So here behind me, I have a Ford 5610. It's not big horsepower, not big machine, but it's good to bomb around in and move small equipment and the thing that we're filling the filling with the wood. So it has a naturally aspirated diesel engine, just a normal, just 4-cylinder. Your average Honda Civic will have probably much more horsepower than this thing does. It's how it's geared. What'd you say?
My Civic had more horsepower than this thing.
But yeah, it's how it's geared, so that it's geared lower. It doesn't have a high top speed. I think as fast as it goes, maybe like 18 or 20 miles an hour max. Maybe miles? No, maybe kilometers. I'm honestly not sure. It's not fast at all, but it is fun to bomb around the farm with. So Samir, I got a question for you. How much do you know about engines?
Not as much as I should, but I'll give it a go.
All right, 10 points. If you come here and you tell me what this thing does.
Little plug there?
That little plug there goes into the engine there, plugs in here.
If I was, my best guess would be that this, like, you can't, is that the only way to access the battery kind of thing, or is there a way to charge the battery?
It's deceiving that way because it is hooked up to something electrical. However, no, it has nothing to do with the battery. Yep. Let me bleep that out again.
I'm sorry.
It's a block heater.
Okay.
You plug it in the wintertime when it's really, really cold. It's better for diesel engines to be plugged in. And then it'll start up better in the wintertime in the cold than if you didn't plug it in.
Right.
So basically, yeah, there's like a heater core kind of thing in the actual block of the engine, which is why it's called a block heater. And it heats the block up so that it's warm and it's ready to Ready to start up. Are you splitting things?
I am.
Are you getting good at it?
I don't know. Let's give it a go. Show you two my lumberjack skills.
Not bad.
Not bad. Give it one more.
Very nice. So here's your
Pretty close.
these things.
All right.
Your wedge and your splitting wall. I'll be here, so I'm ready to go that way.
Go that way.
So he cuts that little slice out of the tree to try to direct where it's going, but you never know really where a tree is gonna fall if something happens. So Samir and I are just prepared to run out of the way if the tree is gonna fall. Oh, there it goes. And it's stuck on the other tree.
Does that mean we have to cut down the other tree too?
No, what my dad might do is he'd get a chain, hook the tractor up to that, and pull the bottom out. Give it a kick. Give it a kick.
I don't want to be behind it in case it slides my way.
I'll be in front of it. Timber. Oh dear. That's solid.
Nope. Isn't that a rotter? Didn't have enough momentum.
Usually it goes smoother than this.
Usually everything you record goes smoother than how it ends up.
That's true. Usually things go super smooth, and then as soon as I have the camera rolling, nothing works. Push it with the tractor.
Can't get in here.
Truck, snowmobile, ATV.
Wow. Now we can't even work under it.
Nope.
You know, the other option is to try to drop that one on top of it.
Do it.
All right.
And now it's time to get the hell out of here. I usually just stand near a tree, so the falls I use it as a shield. Last one. Right there. Boom. So yeah, that's a tree. All cut up and ready for firewood. Yeah, he doesn't have a lot of weight on the front of that thing. Oh yeah, there's like no weight on the front of that. Man's gonna pull a wheelie. What a man. All right, bring the truck. I got the tractor. We'll head on home.
So, that was a fun day. Cutting down some trees. Pretty productive, I would say.
Running the chainsaws and
dropping a tree on another tree.
dropping trees on trees.
Oh yeah. So this is my first appearance on the channel. I just want to say I'm flattered that you invited me out here.
Yeah, no problem, man. I'm hoping to ask you to help me out with some other stuff too sometime coming up. Got some cool new stuff in the new year I got planned, and I needed somebody to do it with me. So
well, I'm definitely looking forward to that. So that is the end of this video. As always, like, subscribe. See you guys later.
Maya, what are you doing, dog? What are you doing? What are you doing? Go get him! Go get him! What are you doing, you crazy puppy? What are you doing?
How long have you had Maya?
don't know, 3-4 years now. And we had two border collies before her as well. We had a German Shepherd Husky, and we had 2 German Shepherd Huskies. Usually we have 2 dogs at a time, but my mom loves border collies, so. But they always live their full span of life, though. They have a nice, fulfilling life here on the farm. And they have all the open space to run around like a dog should have, and all the freedom. But every farmer needs a good farm dog, isn't that right?
Is that right, Maya? You wanna play, Maya? Huh? Wanna play?
She'll go for your ankles.